There are many reasons why someone should buy an air purifier this year. The main ones are that it helps to reduce allergies, pet dander, and mold in the home. Air purifiers also help with asthma, dust mite control, and other problems that may rise due to poor indoor air quality. In this video, we will look at the 7 best models available for this year and what they can do for you.
Introducing the Bissell Air 220 Air Purifier. Equipped with 3 reliable filtration technologies, air flows through the front and out the top vent. Adaptive Circulate System technology monitors and responds to your air, all while providing real-time indoor air quality feedback. Designed to fit seamlessly into your home, it's clean air made easy.
Protect your home with an Alen BreatheSmart Air Purifier. Laser smart sensors detect dust, dander, or allergens and auto-adjust to perfectly balance airflow, alerting you when your air quality changes, capturing 99% of the bacteria, viruses, and other particles from small to family-sized rooms. Designed to blend with the decor of any room and provide peace of mind. Visit the Alen store on Amazon.com to learn more. Breathe easy again with an Alen Air Purifier.
Meet Mod. Where high design meets high performance. The Mod utilizes the latest filter technology to remove harmful contaminants from the air. Plus, its compact modern design will feel right at home, no matter where you put it. Experience fresher, cleaner air. Mod by ORANSI.
Meet the Molekule Air Mini Plus. So what's new in the Mini Plus? Particle sensing. Air Mini Plus's sensor rates air particle levels from good to very bad, offering a glance into your indoor air. The new Auto Protect mode automatically adjusts your fan speed based on particles sensed in the room. And with its vegan leather handle, Air Mini fits seamlessly into the home. Air Mini Plus is designed for rooms up to 250 square feet and features Molekule's patented Pico technology. Pico not only removes larger particles like dust, dander, and pollen, but it destroys microscopic pollutants like viruses, chemicals, bacteria, and mold. With Air Mini Plus, you can plug it in and relax, knowing that you're destroying the widest range of pollutants compared to conventional purifiers.
Introducing the Bissell Air 320 Air Purifier. Equipped with 3 reliable filtration technologies, air flows through the front and out the top vent. Adaptive Circulate System technology monitors and responds to your air, all while providing real-time indoor air quality readings. Designed to fit seamlessly into your home, it's clean air made easy.
When was the last memorable breath you took?
Hey, my name's Mitchell.
And my name is Dylan. We are the founders of Respira, the creators behind the air purifying garden that takes care of itself.
Join us on this mission to improve the health of our indoor environment.
For the past 5 years, we've been designing living walls across North America for commercial buildings.
As our cities grow, nature around us has decreased. Cities are becoming vast, and it's pushing our connection to nature and the natural world further away.
Humans are now spending 90% of their time indoors, and with the global lockdowns in effect, that number has only increased.
This is why it has become our ultimate mission to improve the health of our indoor environments through a connection to nature and improved indoor air quality.
For 5 years, our business has been trusted by architects in helping them accomplish healthy spaces through living walls. Throughout our years, the number one question we've always received is, can I put one of these in my home? Until now, it was not a possibility.
Like many of you, 11 months ago, we began to work from home.
We took this life-changing time to execute a life-changing idea.
My name is Tristan Zimmerman. I've been working as the industrial designer on the Respira project. Respira, in my eyes, is a very unique 21st century product. There's this really cool tension of the sort of manufacturer and the natural sort of coming together at that cross-section. And it's, I think, a direction in which a lot of products are going to be headed, and it's really exciting to be part of that.
This is not a normal living wall. Respira uses the principles of biophilic design. Behind this lush foliage, there is a machine performing magic. First, air passes through the pre-filter, where dust and large particles are captured. The air then passes through the main cavity and is exposed to the root zone of the plants. Using the science of biofiltration, Respira removes toxins in the air we breathe. As we actively pull air inside the plant root zone, a buildup of microbiome captures and permanently destroys volatile organic compounds that we'd otherwise be breathing. Beyond air purification, the unit also adds humidity. The pump and fans are ultra silent, so all you hear is the relaxing sound of trickling water. Power in 13 plants is all you need to get this system up and running. Additionally, it takes water every 10 to 14 days and nutrients every 6 months. Once it's full, it's self-watering, self-feeding, and self-lighting.
Hi, my name is Ismail. I'm the lead software developer at Respira. Plant care is oftentimes the biggest concern for people. If anybody's like myself, definitely not the best plant parent. So when we were designing this system, from a technical standpoint, we had to make sure that it was foolproof. Embedded into the unit are a series of sensors that are used to monitor air quality and maintain plant health. Each Respira unit has 2 ways of letting you know that it needs something. The first is via an LED light pulsing on the unit itself. Second is notifications will be sent to your mobile device.
My name is Heather, and I am the digital marketing specialist at Respira, and I get to interact with our amazing community every single day. The Respira experience is extremely detail-oriented, from the planting of the unit to the automated plant care. You can plant the unit using plants from around your home, or you can order from our online nursery and have the plants delivered directly to your door, ready to go. This packaging is completely recyclable, and by backing our project, you're helping to eliminate disposable air filters from ending up in landfills every single year. Respira produces no waste and only gets better with time.
The intention behind Respira is rooted in helping you form a deeper, more meaningful connection with nature. We often forget where our origin comes from, and that we have an innate desire as humans to connect with nature and natural processes. You've asked for living walls at home, and now they're here. In 2020, we pivoted in the face of adversity to bring you a life-changing idea. Breathe life back into your home, purify your air naturally, boost your mood, increase comfort, or just enjoy the plant aesthetic that you've always dreamed of.
Our manufacturing partner has been selected and production is already underway. That's why when it comes to delivering your unit, timelines are very transparent. We've bootstrapped this ourselves through pre-sales and commercial installations, and when it comes to sharing this product with the entire world, we need your help to get there.
Respira is more than a product. It's a lifestyle focused on connecting with the natural world. We ask you to support us as we bring this idea to life.